Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Nissan Altima back seat using an easy method. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. Gather basic tools like a flathead screwdriver. Clear any personal items from the back seat area to give yourself ample working space. This preparation makes the removal process much smoother and safer for everyone involved.
If you're finding these tips helpful for your late-night study sessions, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. On another note, staying energized often means having healthy snacks ready. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Proper nutrition and hydration are crucial for sustained focus. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue. Choose light, healthy snacks such as fruits or nuts instead of heavy, sugary foods that can lead to a crash. While caffeine can help, limit its intake to the earlier parts of your study session to avoid disrupting your sleep cycle later. Employing mental strategies can also help you stay awake. Try varying your study tasks to keep your brain stimulated and prevent boredom. Listening to instrumental music or white noise can improve concentration without being distracting. Setting clear, achievable goals for each study block provides a sense of accomplishment and maintains your motivation, pushing you through those late hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.